In this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks integration errors with Shopify in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open QuickBooks and go to Apps and then Shopify Connector. Step 2. Check your Shopify store connection and reauthorize if needed. Step 3. Review error messages such as missing product mapping or duplicate SKUs. Step 4. Match tax settings and currency between QuickBooks and Shopify. Step 5. Sync orders again and confirm transactions appear in QuickBooks. Step 6. If error persists, reset the integration and resync from scratch. Now, you can resolve Shopify integration errors in QuickBooks with ease. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.